Ralph Waldo Emerson said that fear defeats more people than any other one thing in the world. But does it have to? I'm not averse to fear, but I know that I can overcome it, and so can you. Hi, I'm Kristen. Welcome to the See Your Wellbeing channel. I'm your energy wizard, inspiring and enabling you to sense, engage, and express more energy and joy in your life with Qigong and self-care practices. This is another practice in the series of mini detoxes, or how we can transform negative emotions into elevated emotions that take root in certain organs. And today our focus is fear. And by the way, if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you can enjoy this energetic flow, this transformation into a higher potential, because you've got it in you. Let's step back, focusing on the breath. Another quote about fear that I love is from Fritz Perls. He says that fear is simply excitement without the breath. So let's breathe into the kidneys. As I said, that's where fear takes its root. Hands right below the low ribs. Tuck your tail a little bit. Inhale and expand. Expand the breath. Exhale, release the torso slightly, coming back to a neutral position. Inhale, tuck the tail. Expand into the kidneys. The kidneys are connected to the water element. And when fear overcomes us, it gets frozen and stuck. And just like water cannot flow in a frozen lake, neither can our energy and our potential. Breathe, inhale and expand. Tucking the tail, you can bow forward slightly, exhale. So some movement of the spine along with the breath can facilitate that opening and that breaking up stuck, stagnant energy in the kidneys. Exhale. When fear no longer keeps us stuck, we can experience peace, tranquility, possibility. Let's take one more. Come back to center, and now we're going to send this, I'm going to turn my back to you, we're going to send this energy down the legs, sweeping down the outside of the legs. Just a gentle massage up the inside. Down the outside, washing the body free from fear. One more, down the outside. Yes. A little more heat to the body. Great exercise to break up stagnation on a physical level in the lower back, but emotionally that fear is the pump. Slow to begin. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, bend the knees, send the arms behind you and straighten the legs. Inhale, bend the knees, reach up as you come up overhead, straighten the legs. One more slow. Bend the knees, straighten the legs, bend and straighten. You can stay with that slow pace, or you can bring a little more heat to the movement. Let's exhale through the mouth. You're experiencing any acute low back pain, slow it down. You can modify the range of motion. But this exercise is great for chronic low back pain. And that physical pain is usually rooted in emotional stagnation. Fear. What are you afraid of? Give it a go. Couple more. One more. Ooh, the waters are flowing. Yeah, let's keep it going. Let's keep that energy flowing. Take the hands back to the kidneys. We're going to do the wave with the healing sound for the kidneys, which sounds like a sneeze, and it's choo. So send the chin forward. So we'll just do the motion first with the hands on the kidneys, and then round up. So it's this wave action through the spine, knees bend, hips go back, round the spine. I'll turn sideways. Yeah. And now let's make the healing sound for the kidneys as we exhale, forward. Sounds help to purge. Purge stagnant energy. Let go of the fear. One more. Rise back up. With a hand on the kidneys, now invite in the healing potential of the kidneys by imagining you're filled up with bright blue light, the bluest ocean water you've ever seen. Allow that energy to fill you up, every cell of your being. And when we're not afraid, we can be at peace, we can be tranquil, and we can flow. Let's take opening the flow to the 6 directions to allow you to witness this expansive flow like the ocean around you. Inhale, float the arms up, a wave-like motion in the spine, drawing the arms back to chest height. Press forward, sinking the chest back. Draw the hands back to the chest and send the hands out to the side. The ocean of healing energy surrounds you. We draw it in, and hands move from mind, heart to body. Float the arms up and draw back. Press forward, chest sinks back. Draw back and expand, expand, expand. Your peripheral vision, you can see the potential is just far beyond what you think is possible. Draw in. Healing waters, mind, emotions, body. And with the breath, we inhale. Exhale, remember, excitement awaits you with a breath. Exhale, press out. Inhale, draw in. Exhale, healing blue energy, light moves through you. Float the arms up, inhale. Wave through the spine, press forward, sink the chest back, exhale. Just like the breath, in and out, transforming with each breath. That's possible for this gnarly emotion of fear. If we were not afraid, oh my, speaking to myself here, what would be possible? Exhale, press out. Yes, they're the big things, the big challenges in the life, but the simply day-to-day things that we allow it to hold us back in fear. This flow is brilliant to see the sea of change. Draw in. It's awaiting you. The almighty sea of change is calling you forward. Will you go with the flow? Or will you try to resist it, frozen in fear? Move the energy through you and allow it to guide you to that place of peace, tranquility, possibility. This time, pause with the arms out to the side and tap into that radiant sea. Oh, if you could gather just that soft power of the ocean, draw it in and allow it to sweep through and cleanse and clear the fear from every cell. Bringing the hands down to the belly, knees softly bent. Welcome. Welcome yourself home to a new place where anything is possible. Take a deep breath. Thank yourself for showing up today. I thank you. My question for you, what is your favorite quote about fear? Please share that below. And speaking of sharing, please do share this practice with others, because when we practice with others, that allows us even greater potential for transformation. And we all want that. Thank you, and be well.